We actually have an existing machine that packs round fruit, citrus, oranges actually, so that was easy. It was gravity fed. The citrus can roll down the ramps and kind of fall into place. The challenge came when we tried packing lemons, avocados, kiwis, things that really aren't round. So the hardest part was kind of positioning them in a place where they could be packed. So that's kind of what prompted us to make the new Sunpack machine.
The main challenge for us was getting it from the source to the heads that pick up the fruit, and using the Inventor software to be able to show us exactly where and how the fruit will roll downhill using the conveyor system and land into our platens with the pockets in them. It helped us immensely to avoid wrong sizes and wrong speeds as far as getting the lemons to the packaging heads.
We were able to avoid manufacturing errors during this process by using the simulation software. We were able to determine the right size of sheet metal or thickness of a bar to be able to use that's not going to deflect or have too much stress in it. So we were able to cut out a lot of prototyping time by being able to do what's called digital prototyping and make our machine on the virtual level before we actually manufactured it.
Using Inventor, or the Autodesk software, to produce our first prototype of the Sunpack machine helped us immensely. And we were able to produce a high quality machine that runs fantastic. We're able to double and triple check our interferences, our tolerances, to ensure that we have the proper material, the proper size, and the proper fasteners.
What I like about the Autodesk programs is kind of the ease of use. I was able to take models from Inventor, our 3D modeling program, pull them into Showcase and 3ds Max that our salesmen could then take to customers and get feedback. Then we were able to use that feedback and come up with a finished product.
The advantage of collaboration is it makes the customer a part of your project. And when a customer is part of the project, they tend to gravitate to it because we look at their needs. It's not just us designing for them. Gone were the days where you just have a paper drawing or in 2D or even with 3D, but it doesn't look real. It does not move. Showing this with the 3ds Max, the Autodesk Showcase, will showcase our talents as an engineering group. Cative is just not a normal partner. Cative kind of stretches what the Autodesk for a particular customer like us. Cative always sees things that we don't see, mainly because they know more about the software. It's part of our daily lives. Everything that we run projects, everything that we run with product lines, everything that we do with the drawings, everything we do with the layouts, it's all about Autodesk software. And now with the 2012, we branch out to the marketing side of it, we branch out to the customer relations of it, so it has been a great software for us.